Hey everybody, it's Sean from Auto Anatomy. Today I'm coming to you guys with a special kind of different video than maybe what you're used to. For the last few weeks I've been hinting at some changes that are going to be coming to Auto Anatomy and how that's going to affect you for these next few months. So I've got some big news and I've got a favor to ask of you moving forward. So a little backstory about me. People that have been with me from the beginning know this already, but I'm an ICU nurse practitioner, and I've been working in Colorado Springs, and we didn't get hit nearly as hard with COVID as some of the other cities in the country. So for the last little bit, I've been trying to find some more permanent work, and right now I am actually in South Carolina. I took a position doing what's called locum tenens work, which is kind of a traveling position. And I'm going to be, flying back and forth between Greenville, South Carolina and Colorado Springs every week, and then working, which kind of leaves me just about half as much time as I had before to work on projects. What that means for you all is this: I'm going to do my very best to try and keep on the schedule of releasing videos every week that I want to do and that I know that you all love. I'm going to do my very best to try and stay on schedule. There are some things that we're going to do that are a little different for future videos. One of those things is I'm going to try and set up some interviews with some popular YouTubers. Maybe reach out to some of your favorites. If you've got someone that you'd love for me to interview, leave a comment below and let me know who you'd like for me to talk to. We're also going to be doing some collaborations here with YouTubers in South Carolina, taking a tour of their place and just checking out what they've got, maybe helping them out on some projects of their own. We've got a video coming up here in just a little bit with Michael Warner from Budget Builds. I headed out to his place and took a look at all the things that he's doing, and such a cool guy, so make sure you check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description below. But just got a chance to hang out with him for a little while and see what he's doing, take a look at the Porsche project that he's got, and such a cool guy. So thanks again, Michael, for letting me come out. Some updates on the Auto Anatomy projects. So we've got the 924s getting worked on right now. It's in the process of doing body work. I've been block sanding it down and trying to fix all the dents in the car and get it ready for paint. I did throw a new slave cylinder on it, and the clutch issue that I've been battling since pretty much the car was new has been resolved. So what was happening is that the clutch pedal felt great, but if you tried to downshift or upshift with any kind of speed to the gear change, it would grind the gears. And when I measured the clutch distance, it looked like the clutch still had plenty of material left on it. So in the bore itself of the slave cylinder, I think that some of those pits that were around it were allowing pressure to bleed off past the seal and not give us like full excursion on that slave cylinder. So it's going to be getting paint and body work done here in the next few weeks, and then as soon as we get the interior done, that project's going to be wrapped up and it will be for sale. So if you're interested in that car, let me know. As far as the Project Code Blue Mustang, it's ready for sale. I'd love to find someone who is looking for a 65 Mustang project over the winter. See if that's something that you're interested in. Hit me up in the comments below, or shoot me an email at autoanatomy@icloud.com, and I'll get in touch with you. The Model A is running better than ever. My dad just texted me yesterday saying that changed the plugs out in it, regapped them, and it's just running like a dream. So he's enjoying driving that car. The 66 Thunderbird that we took on Route 66 has been an inordinate hassle over the last few weeks. So since it's been back in Memphis, here's what's happened. We took it to a shop that had a really good reputation, and they said they were going to fix the transmission leak. And they said, well, we'll get to it. We've got another couple of projects ahead of it, but I promise we'll get to it. And that turned into getting pushed to the back corner. And then my dad called one day and, asked about an update. And the owner of the company said, well, we wanted to send it somewhere to get a second opinion on if we were doing the right thing, which doesn't really give me a whole lot of confidence in their abilities. But the worst part is they couldn't tell us where they sent the car. So they sent the car to some random shop and wouldn't tell us where it was. So we were going to give them a couple of days to come up with a car, or we were going to report it stolen. And lo and behold, they came up with a car and had done absolutely nothing to it. So they had it for a month or more and didn't touch it. So as of today, the car got dropped off at another shop who said they were going to work on it this afternoon. So today is September 8th or 9th. 8th. Yeah. So as of September 8th, they were going to start working on it this afternoon and figure out what's going on with the leak. But otherwise, it's running beautiful. He's got a new brake booster on order from the Bird's Nest, and it should be here tomorrow. He'll get that installed, and that will fix all of the problems that he was having with Thunderbird. So in conclusion, thank you for sticking with me. I know this is not your typical update video on one of the projects that we've got going on, but there's a lot of changes that are happening, and I just thank you again sincerely for all of the love and support that you've shown our channel. If you're not already subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out. It allows me to keep making videos that I love, to work on cars that you love, and to bring classics back to life. Also, you can check out, we've got Auto Anatomy merchandise available. I'll put the link above, so you can just click on those. Check those out, get some really cool Auto Anatomy gear. And the big favor that I have is, since I'm not going to be able to make as many videos as I would like to right now, it's really important that if you have the ability, please consider sharing some of these videos with your friends on social media. Like, share, subscribe, comment below on the things that you'd like to see in future videos. So thank you again, sincerely. I love all of you guys. Thank you all for the support and the encouragement, and we'll see you next time.